Alright, so Sonic Prime. The first time I opened one of these, I got Knuckles. Then the second time, someone told me her name, but I can't remember. I can't remember her name. She's so flimsy too. Top heavy low. We got her. And the very last one, which I did some voodoo on the ball and just happened to get Sonic. We got Sonic. So, was it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So, let's see what we get in this one. Because hopefully I get Tails, because this is the last time I'm buying these, I believe. I don't like getting doubles unless I'm like army building or something. And these tear tabs they put on these are absolutely terrible. Alright. Let's pray for Tails. Oh, this one doesn't want to pop. Oh, okay. We got the bad guy. Oh, that is absolutely terrible. Okay, maybe you can fix it. I thought his... But you know what, it was probably me shaking them, trying to figure out what it was if I had a double. So I figured it was either, what is it, Egg Face or Egghead? I figured it was him or not Knuckles, but the girl with the pink hair. So I gotta stop shaking these, or let's see. Does it say his name on here? No. I think it's Egg Face or Egghead. But he's not a rare either. So let's keep it moving with this one. Alright. We don't want Knuckles, and we don't want Egg Face. Whatever his name is. I know it's something like that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I can be done. I got one bad guy. I got Knuckles. I got Sonic. And now we got Tails, which I believe they call him 9 now. Which is weird. So his tail don't move. His head moves. Arms don't move at all. Which is weird, because the other ones do. Bends at the waist a bit, but he's stiff. He's a nice stiffness, so he's nice. great. That's awesome. Okay, so no doubles so far, which is good. So let's just keep it going. We got one more, and we want Sonic. We want the rare Sonic. We already have the regular Sonic. We want the rare one now. So let's hope, because I ain't buying no more of these. Alright, last time we did some voodoo. So it's gotta be the rare Sonic. Come on. Oh, that's crazy. That sound is so different. That sounded so we got one double. No rare Sonic. Damn. So he's even stiffer. So we got Tails again. Or 9, as they call him now, which is weird, but I guess it's because of the robot tail or whatever. I don't know. Okay, so Knuckles, he was the first one. Then we got her, can't remember her name. She will not stay up at all. Then we got Sonic. And then we got the two Tails. Or 9s, whatever you want to call them. Doing great, how are you? Was going to open these tonight. These are the newest things I'm geeking over right now. Million Warriors. And really, I only want all the alien ones, really. Alien and bug ones. Like, this one's my favorite right now. Billy Bob, Brace, or something. Glows in the dark. It's pretty cool. But I think I'm just gonna wait and open this tomorrow. So I think we're done with the Sonic balls. Yeah, it's too bad. I really wanted that Sonic with the claws. Reminds me of like a Freddy Krueger Sonic type twist. I think I might just take this. How's everyone doing tonight anyway? I might just take that right out of her hands and just maybe put something else. Like a Ninja Turtle bow or something. She is so top heavy and flimsy. Heat her up a bit. She's dope though. She goes good with Sonic. But yeah, 2 doubles. 2 tails. Or as they would say today, 9s. 2 9s. Which is pretty crazy. And I don't want to pull these off if they're not supposed to. So if anyone knows about these and knows if these stands come off, let me know. I should just try and pull it off just because I got doubles, but well, I think that's it for tonight. I was really hoping for that rare Sonic, but I mean, it didn't do bad. For getting something and not knowing what you're getting, and not getting double after double, it's pretty good. Only got one double, so that's not bad. Well, alright guys, that's all I got for tonight. I'll be back on tomorrow. I think I'm gonna open a couple of those Million Warrior packages. Start opening those. See what I got. Alright, have a good night everyone.